Um, it's been a couple of days that I've not been this active. Reason being that I had to travel. I took a trip out of country. So while traveling, I could not freely connect. So I sincerely apologize. Okay. Even my lighting, I've not organized the office. I just had to do what I have to do. I remember our last class was on technical analysis, which I promised I would do a video explaining it. Okay, so the video is dropping on Monday. Okay, so you guys should be ready for the video. But before that, um, I think I will complete what I have going on before we end the streams because normally these live streams were supposed to end on the 14th, and today is the 14th. So normally we are supposed to end it today. So let me share this live with a couple of friends. Lots of love, lots of love. All right, I'll exercise a little patience to see those who will be joining us shortly. And those who will be watching this later, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to show some love by subscribing, guys. So subscribe to the channel and also click on the notification bell so I receive notifications for every new video that is dropped on this channel. All right. I go by the name Chan Felix, but you can call me Fellow F. Okay. I'm a forex trader and a mentor. Also, this video is proudly sponsored by the Fellow F Forex Academy. So this free training is sponsored by the Fellow F Academy. In case you want to be part of the academy, you can as well inbox me or maybe just join any of my channels. Yeah, the links to the channel is even below, so you can join my Telegram channel and hit me inbox, or you even drop a comment here, tell me you're interested, and I will definitely relate. Okay, I'll definitely relate. Um, Yeah, Mr. Franklin, nice to have you, man. Nice to have you. It's really an awesome opportunity to see you here. Okay, so stay tuned. Since you feel lonely, you can as well invite a couple of friends. That's the best thing you should do. Invite a couple of friends and let the live begin. Okay, invite a couple of friends, let the live begin. Lots of love, guys. I'm really sorry I wasn't there the day before yesterday and yesterday because I was traveling and you know how complicated it could be. I know how complicated. Okay, Mr. Sewe Sewek, man, nice to have you here. Nice to have you. I love you all, man. You guys are so amazing. It's really pleasing to see you guys being active in the comment section. So now that you're already here, we've had a couple of topics. I really appreciate your support, guys. We've had a couple of topics, and first, let me as well apologize for my lighting. Okay, I think by our next live, I must have organized my office here because where I travel to, I think I'll be here for a while. Okay, so I have to also have an office here. So I'll do show my light. I'll make sure my lighting is intact and everything is intact. Hope the volume is okay. If the volume is okay, just let me know in the comment section. It will be a pleasure. All right. Okay. So this free forex training has actually been going on for the whole week. And the main reason I did all this, or we decided to organize this, is to create forex awareness to so many of you. I even had plans to trade with you during these sessions, just that I had to travel. Okay, so I'm really sorry, but it's okay. We'll have live tradings maybe next week. We'll take on the New York session together, or maybe even London session. So I'll always announce stuff like that for you to know when we're having it. Okay. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. So so far we've spoken about what forex is. That was our first topic, and the videos are still here in the channel, so you can as well watch whenever you want to. And we also spoke about forex pair, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and indices and other metals. Okay, we spoke about that. I I said every one of you should have a notebook. You see, I have mine, and I'm reading from my notebook. Okay, so um, now the fourth lesson or the third lesson was about lots, leverage, and other key concepts in the trading space. Okay, and that was so amazing. I love the way some of you actually participated, especially someone, Texi. Yeah, you've been very active, and I do appreciate all of you who are making it a great deal. Okay. Then the fourth lesson was actually about brokers and trading platforms, which was amazing as well. Then we ended on the fifth topic, which was technical analysis. Technical analysis. Yes, that's where we ended. And so today we'll be talking about order types. Order types, because in trading, everything you do is buying. We have just two things, buying or selling, but now there are ways to buy and ways to sell. It's not just by clicking a button buy or clicking a button sell. There are many ways via which you can take an order in the forex market or the global financial market. You get, so we have different types of orders, and that is exactly what we'll be talking about today. Well, we'll as well talk about risk management. We'll talk about a little bit of psychology. I will drop you some psychology tips, because today is our last day. Instead of 30 minutes, I think maybe we'll spend more time. It also depends, on how interactive you guys are. Because I love to do interactive sessions. That's my type, that's just me. And the last thing we have to talk about is how to get funds in Forex. Okay, how to have funds. All right. So, do not forget to show some love, guys. All right. So, other types. We'll be talking about a couple of other types. The first one we need to talk about is the buy order. Okay, we'll actually talk about four different order types. Four. Okay, I have four order types, which are actually two different major types, but I'll just call it four. The first type of order we'll be talking about is a buy order. That's actually buying at the market price. Okay, the market price. That's if you have to buy gold and gold is 3,100 right now, you click on that buy order, you are buying gold at that price, 3,100. So that's a buy order. That's the most common order a lot of you use, most especially those who are following my free signals. When I say buy gold, that's what you do. Where you just click on the buy, that's it. Okay. And I say buy GBP USD. You click on buy, you automatically get a buy order and you see your position in the market. As easy as that, right? Now, there is another we call the sell order. Okay. We also have the sell order. Now, how do we get the sell order? It's the same like the buy order, but now the opposite direction. When you see price is dropping, you should be looking for a sell. And now, when they say sell now, it means you should click on the sell button and you automatically create an order. All right, you automatically create an order, which is also a position in the market. I don't know if we are getting. Let me share the live a little. Do the same, guys. Share the live with friends. Share the live with friends. That's exactly. All right. So when you take a buy order, you find yourself creating a buy position in the market, the same as if you take a sell order, you find yourself creating a sell position in the market. That's how easy it is. Now, the third we'll be talking about is a buy limit. So the two major types are limit orders and market orders. Okay, limit orders and market orders. We'll not talk about stop. Okay, stops, because those are also orders. We'll talk just about a few. And in case you want to know deeper, the academy is open. No, the academy will be open. Okay, I'll maybe after this, I will actually tell you when and how you can get access to the forex to our forex academy. Okay, yes, I'll tell you when and how you can get access to our forex academy, which is very very simple. But as of now, it is still closed. All right. Mhm. So now the next thing we'll be talking about are limit orders. So we have a buy limit. Let's say you're anticipating that price has to go all the way up to price of gold has to go all the way up to 3,500 US dollars. And right now, the current price is 3,000 uh, 50 something cents. Let's say 50 cents, 3,050 cents. Okay. So what you do is you place a pending buy at 3,000, let's say 3,040 cents. Now, if the price drops to 3,040 cents, you automatically be triggered. You will find yourself having a position in the market at that time. Okay, telling you when price is at $3,040, you will have a position running. You get so that's what it means to have a pending order. That's what it means to have a pending order, a pending buy. So it's the same, but opposite when it comes to sell orders. Okay, let's say you're anticipating that price will drop to $3,000. The price of gold will drop to $3,000, and right now it's at $3,400. So what you do is you place an order, hoping that when price hits maybe um, $3,410, it will trigger you automatically and start falling all the way to $3,000. You get the point. So that's how we see market orders or orders in the market. So those are the four major types of orders we have spoken about. So I don't know if you have any questions, you can as well hit me up inbox. You can ask a question below in the comment section, and I'll clarify you on this topic. Okay, on other types. Okay, so that's it for orders. Now, the next thing we should be talking about is next thing we should be talking about is no, the basket. Two versa. Okay, the lighting gets worse, right? So the next thing we'll be talking about is let me turn on my flash. Okay, perfect. The next thing we'll be talking about is actually risk management. Are facing a challenge on this, the risk management aspect. Risk management is one of the most important things in forex trading. Like I made mention the other day of my the four cores that make up forex trading or makes trading. We have technical analysis, we have risk management, and we have trading psychology. Those are the three main keys or the main factors, the three key factors that makes a trader profitable, consistently profitable in the forex space or in the trading space. Okay, so today we'll be talking about risk management. We cannot have a course like this and we don't talk about risk management. That's actually a fallacy. Okay, so what I'm telling you right now is risk management is the ability to protect your funds or your capital while making profits and losses in the financial market, because trading is more like a space where you encounter losses and wins all in it. So I cannot tell you trading is a win-win game. No, no, no. You lose at times. So there are times when you lose, and there are times when you win, you earn. Okay. So What makes the difference is risk management. If you can manage your risk properly, then you'll be able to preserve your capital and make real profits. Okay? But if you don't know how to manage your risk, then you will not be able to protect your funds, your capital, your accounts, and you will need to always look for money from outside to continue trading. So, what do we have about risk management? It's simple. You need to understand that if you have to risk $10, you should know that that $10 is what you can afford to lose, because there's a possibility that that $10 might go and you'll never get it back. You might lose it. Okay? So you only risk what you can afford to lose. And then you don't risk $10 to earn $10. You risk $10 to earn at least $15 or $20 or more. Why not more? So when trading, you look for setups that will give you a possibility to earn more than you are risking. That's all what risk management is about. Being able to risk less to earn more, so that in the long run, even if your wins are less than your losses, you will still be profitable in the trading space. Okay? Well, I cannot emphasize more on this. This is how simple it is. You get. So this is it. That's just forex trading, or that's trading. And once you can manage your risk properly, your psychology intact, we've not spoken about psychology. I'm coming to that. But once you can manage your risk and your trading, your technical analysis is intact, man, you are sure to go. Now you'll be lacking just one thing. You're lacking just one thing, which is trading psychology. That's where psychology comes in. Because when the losses spank you on the face, on your cheek, that's where you realize that there's something bigger than just technical analysis and risk management. Because with technical analysis and risk management, you could still not be able to be consistently profitable without psychology. So what's psychology? The psychology of trading is simply being able to manage your emotions while making decisions in the financial market. Okay? So if you can manage your emotions properly while managing positions or taking trades in the financial market, I'm telling you, guys, if you have a good trading plan, a good technical analysis technique, or a good trading urge, man, you are good to go. You are good to go. You see yourself making the millions of dollars you dream about. You get it? So that's forex trading for you. That's forex trading for you. You need to be able to think like a trader, to walk like a trader, and act like one. You know, we have our way of thinking. We think in probabilities. We know there's a possibility for me to lose this trade before I take it. And there's a possibility for my whole life to change because of this one trade I'm taking. You get it? So that's how we do, and that's how we see the financial markets. For you to be consistently profitable, you need to think that way and be certain that even if you lose 10 trades back to back, your account will still be safe, because there's a possibility for you to lose 10 trades. Every trade per week can be a loss. But what differs between a profitable trader and a non-profitable trader is the fact that a profitable trader will be able to manage his emotions when taking every trade. There are certain emotions I want us to talk about. First, I will start by the emotion of missing out. Okay, missing out. So there is a fear of missing out at times that affect traders. We call it FOMO. There's a fear of missing out. We call FOMO. That fear actually makes you to take trades impulsively. Maybe you price gets to a zone that you've been expecting for a couple of days, And once price get there, just get into the trade without even waiting for a confirmation, because emotionally you think you will miss this opportunity to make money. So you are forced to just get in before a valid confirmation, which is a very bad emotion. Okay. The next emotion I want us to talk about is the emotion of being scared to lose profits. That's maybe you have a trade running, you're already in profits, but you have not even gone halfway the move. You start being skeptical. Hey, a million thoughts start running through your mind. You ask yourself, am I really going to make money through this trade? I might lose this profit along the line. It's like this trade is about to turn against me. You start thinking million thoughts. That's a very bad emotion. How do you counteract that? How do you destroy that emotion? It's simple. Have your targets. Know that my take profit is 1:2. And if I'm 1:1.5, I shouldn't close, because if I lose 2 times and earn 2 times, I'll not be able to be at break even. Okay. Imagine you risk $10 per trade and you make $15 and close. Okay. If you make $15 and close, the first 2 trades will be good, but now the third trade, if you lose it, you lose $10, right? You lose the second one, you lose $10, right? Lose the third one, you lose $10, right? It means if you took 3 trades back to back, you will not be able to be profitable, because you'll be up. Let's say you lose, let's say 4 trades. Okay, let's take an example of 4 trades. You lose 4 trades, and maybe you don't let that TP hit on the other 4 trades that you earn. You end up maybe closing at break even or losses if you don't accept the trade to run properly. So that's why you need to always be patient with your setups. If you see that this is a good setup, you've done your analysis and everything is intact, then why are you scared? Why are you scared? Guys, it's already above midnight where I am right now. So I think my lighting is not really the best. And though the voice is clear, everything is cool, but I also wanted the lighting to be good. So what I will do is I'll stop this live right now, and feel free to drop your questions in the comment section. And instead of me ending the live sessions today, tomorrow during the day, I will drop a live session. So I will update you and let you know when it'll be. I will drop, I'll schedule a live, and you guys will receive a notification if you have subscribed to my channel. That's why I keep emphasizing that you all should subscribe to the channel. And I'll as well record the live for those who will not be able to make it, so that they can actually watch it maybe after the session. So guys, I love you so much, and I'm so proud to have you here. We are so happy to know that you guys are part of us. Okay, so you guys are really the best. You are the best community I've ever seen. You are very supportive. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Do not forget to join our free Telegram, where you get free signals as well. Okay. All right, guys. See you on our next live. If you have no questions, I'm waiting to hear questions. Drop your questions. Drop your questions, guys. Yeah, I traveled out of country. Okay, I traveled out of country. My location doesn't really matter. What matters most is the fact that I'm here with you guys. So if you have no questions, I think this is the end of our today's session. Love you guys. Thank you all for being part of this session. Waiting to see your questions in the comment section. And tomorrow I'll drop another live. So join me. Let's have a live together. Ciao.